Okay guys, hi. It's 5:30 here on the farm. We've got, our lights are still on, but we've got a beautiful sunrise coming up. It is still, how hot is it about out here?
77 degrees.
It's 77 degrees here on the farm at 5:30 in the morning. I've got some Captain Jack's dead bug, and this is just a bucket, jug for water. I'm going to mix up some Captain Jack's dead bug and go spray on the garden before all of the pollinators make it out. And Hunter is taking the weed whacker over to the chicken coop to cut down all of those nasty, pokey, thorny weeds. And little Miss Meow Meow's coming up. She's been out romping at night. She's coming up, and we're going to get this yard cleaned up pretty quick. I do have my helper guy coming today. It will be his first day on the farm. He's not coming out till 7. I didn't want him to come out too late because it is getting awful hot here on the farm already, and we need to get these chores done before it gets back to 105 like it was yesterday. Okay, I did find an old bottle of Captain Jack's dead bug that I'm going to put the spray back into so that I won't have a lot of spray bottles out here and have the possibility of getting them mixed up and not knowing what is in what bottle. And there's something crawling around on my floor in my greenhouse, and I can't see it just yet, but I saw it move. Hopefully it's a frog or a mouse and not a snake. Okay, I'm going to take this outside. Hunter's getting started on the chicken area, so let me go ahead and get this started so I can get done. So here's Hunter using his weed whacker to get those horrible, thorny, pokey weeds out of the chicken run. So hopefully this will also help with the grasshopper pressure in this area. I got me some off spray on myself just because I end up, after I've been in the garden, with bug bites, and I'm getting tired of being itchy. I did wear long pants and closed-toed shoes today so that I can make sure that I cut down on the exposed area for bugs. Okay guys, so evidently I forgot to plug up my phone last night when I got home from work, so my phone died, so I had to come up here on the porch and plug it in. Evidently the chickens aren't moving for my husband and the weed whacker. I fed them on this end of the run, but they're hiding under where he's trying to weed whack. So anyway guys, so where the video stopped, I use 2 ounces of Captain Jack's dead bug to 1 gallon of water. And this water, this is a vinegar gallon. It's old. I've used it several times with just normal water. Just make sure if you are mixing up anything in an old container that container has been cleaned out numerous times before you mix chemicals, because mixing chemicals will and can cause horrible chemical reactions, and some of those reactions can cause death, like bleach and vinegar. Don't ever do it. It's bad. So that's what I'm going to do. I've got just a little bit of water already in here because I was watering the plants on the back porch with it, instead of having to get the water hose. I think I have 2 hanging plants that don't have drip to them. But anyway, I'm going to shake this up really well, and then I'm going to get 2 ounces, and wouldn't you know it, 2 ounces will be 60 mils. So this did have something on there. Try not to get it on your hands. I should probably be wearing gloves, but at this point my gloves are covered in dirt and they are somewhere on the property somewhere. Okay, So I'm going to be very careful. I'm going to hold it away from my eyes, make sure that I can't get it in my eyes. So I've worn my glasses. Gives me a little bit more protection from splashes and spills. And I'm going to make sure I do it very accurately. I don't want it to be too concentrated to where it kills all my plants. But we're going to hopefully get some of these grasshoppers dead. Pour this in here. Okay, so that is the 1 gallon. I'm going to make sure I rinse this out very well. And I'm going to put my lid back on so when I transport it to the water hose, it will not splash up. Okay, so I've got this on. I'm going to and I do have the dog's water under here, so I'm going to move that out of the way in this bag. I'm trying to cut down the sweet area with this bag, but it's not working like I thought it should. I am going to go ahead and turn the water onto the berries out there and put the dog waterer back out here. Hold on. Hey guys, I am going to make sure that I tag this extremely well so nobody thinks that it's something that it's not in this. But like I said, I have my old Captain Jack's dead bug bottle. And so I'm going to put my Captain Jack's mixture in here so I can spray it. Yeah, I probably could go buy a big sprayer, but I just didn't. I have another sprayer that has my copper fungicide for my fruit trees in it, and I'm just gonna do this because this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, so when you are putting fluid into a bottle that is, did you see what I just did? Yeah, like this, and you have a sprayer, when you put the sprayer in, that is going to displace quite a bit of the product. So don't fill your container all the way to the top, or else it'll start spilling out on you. We're ready. I need to clean all this up. I'm gonna leave it right here in case I need to make some more. I'm gonna turn y'all off, let my phone charge, and I'll bring you out to the garden later on and watch me spray some of the garden. These things are almost as bad as hornworms. Oh, I try not to spray the spiders, dang it. Sometimes I've missed them, not realizing that they're there before I spray. But I still do not have any hornworms from spraying BT once at night on my tomatoes. So I know I will be stocking up in BT for next summer because that was a game changer there. But look at that. You see all of that black stuff? That is poop from the freaking grasshoppers. It's horrid, guys. And I really didn't want to spray these because I didn't want the bees to get, but they're on top of those sunflowers. So far, I have done my garden, which is probably, It's the full run is 100 feet, and we've got that's the area that's not up to 100 feet yet. So this one bottle has done all of it. So I think that grass down in the chicken coop that's right there beside it, I think that'll help. And I really don't want to, I'm not going to spray these, because my cucumbers, because the honeybees and the bumblebees are still on those, because those have blossoms. But most of the time I don't see a lot of bees on my tomatoes. And I know there's other good bee beneficial bugs other than the bees. But I'm just trying to. I did spray my mandevilla because they had grasshoppers all over them, so hopefully they will continue to grow. Okay guys, that's it for today. I've got my garden sprayed with my Captain Jack's dead bug, and hopefully some of the grasshoppers will be gone. And like I said, I'm not going to harvest anything in the garden for a couple of days, just to make sure that I don't bring in that organic pesticide, I don't know what you would call it, but it is organic, into my home. I'm just going to kind of let it run its course for a little bit, and hopefully we'll get some more. Oh, my helper's pulling in the driveway. Hopefully my grasshopper problem will be gone, and tomorrow morning I will start with the baking soda and peroxide spray to help with the blight, because okay, it's just now 7 o'clock and it's probably already up to 83 degrees. So it's going to be another hot scorcher here in Arkansas. Yay. Y'all have a great day and make what you have beautiful.